Good morning, Internet. Here is my setup. I've got the pancake coil running off one transistor, and it's giving me a healthy spike at 29.3 kilohertz. Then off from the collector on the transistor, I've got two leads, one going to the bigger bottle with a coil around it and the crystals inside, and one going from the same lead to the smaller bottle filled with the crystals. Also, the smaller bottle filled with the crystals is filled up with water. The bigger bottle filled up with crystals has got no water in it. My two probes, I'm running off the top end of each bottle's coil. And basically I'm doing a study in the difference between the crystals and the water and the bottle, and the crystals in the bottle without the water. Now I'm going to put it on the scope. The yellow trace is on the bottle without the water, only crystals and glass. The blue trace in the bottom is the smaller diameter bottle with the crystals and the water inside the glass bottle. I thank you for watching.